Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need a rugged and powerful pressure washer to take the big cleaning jobs, the Home Depot Rental Center offers the lightweight and portable Mighty M 2700 and 3500 PSI gas aluminum pressure washers. These pressure washers are ideal for removing mold and mildew from decks and patios, cleaning the outside of your home, or quickly removing old peeling or flaking paint before applying a fresh coat. Before you get started, just like any other piece of equipment, there are safety precautions you need to take when operating a pressure washer. Please follow all safety instructions and caution stickers on the washer. Always wear safety goggles and closed-toe shoes, and protect yourself from the possibility of direct spray. Now to start the gas pressure washer. Place the pressure washer on a flat surface and make sure the water strainer is in place and free of debris. Connect a garden hose to the washer and the other end to your water supply. Next, connect the male end of the high pressure hose into the water outlet on the pressure washer. To do this, slide the collar back, insert the hose, and then make sure the collar snaps back into place. Now you're ready to connect the gun assembly. Slide the plug on the bottom onto the other end of the hose, making sure the collar snaps into place. Select the high-pressure nozzle best suited to your cleaning task. To install, pull back the collar on the end of the gun and wand assembly. Attach the nozzle and release the collar, letting it snap into place. You can now turn on the water. The pressure washer and hose will fill with water, so it's important to purge the system of excess air before starting the unit. To do this, simply squeeze the trigger on the gun and the air will release. Now you're ready to start the engine on the pressure washer. First, make sure the fuel valve is in the open position. Next, move the choke to the left or the open position. Then, move the throttle to the left or the full throttle position, and turn the engine switch to the on position. Holding the gun assembly firmly in your hand, point it in a safe position and squeeze the trigger to release the pressure. Pull the recoil on the engine. The engine should start on the first or second pull. Then close the choke. You're ready to use your pressure washer. There are a few cleaning tips to remember. All-purpose detergent is very effective in removing hard-to-clean mildew and grime from your siding. To use a detergent, first, attach the black low-pressure detergent nozzle. Locate the clear detergent pickup hose on the unit and submerge the end of the hose into the bottle of detergent. Do not allow the detergent to dry on the surface you're cleaning, and be sure to thoroughly rinse the entire area. To rinse, remove the injector from the detergent. Replace the black detergent nozzle with a high-pressure nozzle. With proper maintenance, you can add years to the life of your property. When your project is complete, turn the engine switch to the off position. Remember, pressure has built up in the system, so you must squeeze the trigger gun to release the pressure after the unit has been shut off. Turn off your water supply. Disconnect the high-pressure hose from the unit and gun, and disconnect the garden hose. Remove as much water as possible from the hoses. Remove the nozzle from the gun and return it to the holder on the unit. When you're ready to transport the unit, make sure it's properly secured in your vehicle and you have all attachments with you when returning to the rental center. Visit your local Home Depot rental center or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.